Now maybe this. Chai, I don't know. Good evening, everybody. My name is Jacinta and I'm a Nigerian. I'm Ghanaian sometimes, I'm Nigerian sometimes, depends on where money is. So, hey, pardon me. I feel they speak some kind of things. Just pay attention. DKB, I want to advise you. Stop dancing. You're a terrible dancer. You come here, come and shake. Only your head will move. Don't come here, come dance again. Stop it. Please, everybody, put your hands together for Abraham Attar. He has done Ghana very proud. Very proud. I mean, that boy has proved that they lied to us. Education is not the key. I feel very stupid right now writing my final year projects. The only Oscar I know is David Oscar. Oh! The boy said he will now act Ghana film at Oko, not by force. How many Ghana film John Domelo no act? You don't see us talk of car. Have you seen our movies? Have you seen our movies? I know say I don't get sense, but when I watch our movies, I give myself hope. Our movies, very, very well. If you say that for Ghana, then act Beast of No Nation, you would have seen a live beast in the movie. Stupid, graphic-looking beast that fly. Have you seen our movies? You see white people movie, you see accident scenes, very on point. When person will get accidents, he will get accidents. To get accidents, go hungry you. You just see sports car go just they move, swerve. Before you know, trailer from nowhere go come somersault, fly over the sports car. Nothing go scratch, the driver will still the drive. And I wonder, will you go God, which kind of God they get? And then after all that, the car go somersault, the car will catch fire still. The driver will survive. Which kind of blood is flow from your veins? And then I think that is not enough. In less than 5 minutes, you will see ambulance. They'll come carry you, put you, and you are safe. You don't go die. Our movie, in the first instance, our accident scene, they very best. Number one, you go see Afia stand by the roadside. Very narrow way, no be highway. Van Vinker go on the drive. No be top speed though. It just they move gently. The next thing, Afia stand this, she don't cross so. Immediately she sees the motor they drive, they come, now just she go enter road. You have seen the car is coming. What do? Is it not to run along? She will stand, face the car. My sister will be lying down on the ground. She's bleeding from her ear, nose, mouth, eye, teeth, tongue, everything is bleeding. So now I have assault on injury. My sister go to the hospital now, her head then go bandage. How far? How? And then you see our accident scene. There's nothing like ambulance. Who be ambulance? The motor will jam me and go carry you hospital. That's why I pray for my life. Father Lord, as I come out, even if my motor won't jam me, maybe I'm going to jam me. If one nonsense car no just won't jam me, I no go take her at all. At least even if I go die, I die, better die. And then another thing about our movies, that white people, they die, they don't disturb you with their death. Why? They just like, oh, we lost my mom, she died peacefully in her sleep. Simple, just die and go. Heaven, look at it, just go. Our movies, if person never cough, he no go die. You will see our movie, Ghana and Nigeria, the same thing. Typical Nigerian movie. That's one guy. Mama, I know you want to die, just die. They can disturb too much. You see why people feel when you are watching the movie, soundtrack is sweet. Sometimes you don't even hear people singing, you just hear musical instruments, and it's interesting. Look at Game of Thrones, even Obama, they watch Game of Thrones. Have you seen that movie? Very beautiful. That series is lovely. You watch it and the soundtrack is just lovely. Imagine say they shoot Game of Thrones for Nigeria. They won't put soundtrack. And then you go hear Sister Ngozi voice from you. When Khaleesi is coming out with her dragon, you will hear Khaleesi's voice. Sister Nkechi. White people, witchcraft, sorcery is real. When you see witchcraft in white movies, you don't go ever try to offend the person. Here, our witches are always happy. When you see a typical witchcraft scene, they're in their coven, you go see them.
Beautiful. But what did he just say? Say Enyesikenti. Oh, please. I've got 2 degrees. Degree in marketing, degree in aviation, and I'm here fooling. What can I say then? Says I want your money, can't come in. Now, recently, oh, you Montreal. Oh, I don't believe you. Oh, please, let me believe you. Sister, when I was doing Joyce Joe. Oh, HIV ambassador. This was a non-HIV ambassador. No, me yes, because I was getting confused. Then I go PM. Then I miss Afia. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. And then I will say, you know what God said? God said, this is why I brought Ebola. Because Ebola, you can't come and deny it. 6 weeks, you are gone. No, you won't have time to deny it. Where will you deny it from? With HIV, you have 10 years to accept, deny, reaccept, and die. So, yeah, this girl, she's in phase 2. She's in the denial stage. She'll come back and accept and die. Oh, yeah, oh! And when I see the men bragging, I go like, oh, women, we are the cause. Do you know we are the cause? Look at the man beside you and say, it is my fault. Oh, yeah. It is our fault because God created them naked. Women, just imagine we had refused to give them the apple. Like men will be running around naked. Imagine a Samoyed after a goat. And then the small two will be running around. It is our fault. we don't give the pussy or boss sitting down naked. Like we will shake and rub. Like men don't feel brag again because some men, it's just like this. So when you see like, bless you, brother, like, oh bless you, oh bless you, oh bless you. So when him now, in fact, you've been in trouble. She said it is her time. Who is that? Any of us say, well, we want to sing. When will we introduce an artist and somebody will faint? Why are we so black? Huh? Like I said, Miss Villa, and you go off. When will that happen? Oh, please. Pretend as if the light just came on in your house.
Beat highness, beat highness, beat highness.
Yeah, it's your boy Energy. MIC, go see the world. If you do for me, I'll do